First thing you should have done already, let's see if this table did. Good, good, good. You want to write your name on top. You're going to get a piece of graph paper. Make sure when you start, whatever corner you use, so like this corner, there's not very much square. So I'm going to start in this corner. You don't need a whole square to write your numbers. You're going to write it starting here, going 1 all the way to 42. Then 1 going up to, once you've done this, you don't have to show me this yet. Eventually you're going to show this to me. Just for right now, you put that in your folder. Then what you want to do is you want to transfer this shape up to here. Notice some of the lines are straight. So from here to here, it's going to be straight. So I want to put a little mark here so I know from there up to there is going to be straight. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put little dots where they cross the lines. And then what I'm going to do is connect those dots. So at every line I'm going to put a dot. I'm going to look down here, see where it crosses, then put a dot. It's going to go to there. And then eventually you'll have those dots. Then you'll try to connect it so it looks like the pattern under here. So eventually it's going to look like that. When you get graded, that's when you get your piece of wood. Get that, I will grade it out of 10 points. Notice there's a dot here. We're going to drill a hole there eventually, so we want to put a little dot there. So that's going to be worth 10 points. Then I give you a piece of wood, and you want to write your name on the side. And then we want to transfer these lines onto our project. How we do that is you're going to bring your paper. This is when I want to see your paper. You're going to bring your paper up to me, and I'm going to tape this to your piece of wood. The reason I'm going to tape this to the wood is we want to measure lines that are 1/4 of an inch apart. To make that easy, these are 1/4 of an inch apart, so all we're going to do is we're going to transfer the measurements over to the piece of wood. So line up that line, just put a little mark. You don't want to put it too dark because eventually we're going to have a pattern over it. So you want to keep doing that until you get all of the lines. So you can't go any further. Notice the graph paper doesn't go all the way to the end, so you can stop right there. And then you're going to keep this paper. You tape this to your folder because you will need it sometime soon. Then with those lines, you're going to draw those lines straight across. You're going to need a tri-square. When you do this, don't have it holding it straight across like that. It's not going to be straight. You want to make sure that this is up against the edge of your wood, and then you're going to transfer those lines over. These lines need to be light. So you want to do these light. The darker they are, the harder it's going to be to transfer the pattern. So draw those across until you have them all across like this. Then that's when you're done for the day.